long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back to 6 with me and your child, and then won't lay it in, make me wonder who you might be playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm just
Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nakia Symone. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I went from this old and greasy wrap to this freshly laid and slayed install that I did in less than 15 minutes. I'm also going to show you some styles that you can do with this install. I think this is the perfect method if your hair is not done and then someone invites you out or you remember you have somewhere to go. You can get yourself together quick, fast, and in a hurry. So if you want to know how, just keep on watching. And the hair that we're going to be using today was sent to me by Wiggins hair. So shout out to Wiggins for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a 24-inch kinky straight 180 density U-part wig. When I tell y'all this hair is so soft, although it is kinky, it literally feels like cotton. It's so soft. I just kept running my fingers through it. It literally looks like my hair normally looks when it's blow dried. And I was just immediately impressed with the quality of this hair. It was just so soft. And also the inside of this wig is constructed very nicely as well. There are 3 clips at the top of the U part. There are 2 on the sides and then 1 at the bottom. And then there's 2 adjustable bands at the bottom as well. And it also has this small piece of lace at the top that we're going to cut later on in the video because you will not need that to install it. This unit did come with 3 free gifts, which was a wig cap, this cute little headband, and then an edge brush that you'll see later on in the video. But moving on to parting, just like any other install, depending on which part you want, whether you want a middle part or a side part, which I'm going to show you both in this video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end to see me switch up the part. I'm going to start off with the middle part, so we're just going to make sure we're leaving enough hair to cover the sides of the U-part wig. Now, as y'all can see, this is the perfect time for me to show y'all just how convenient this wig is because as y'all can see, my hair is dirty. I've had this wrap for about 2 weeks. It's really time for me to wash it, but I'm just about to see if I could finesse with this unit. So I did put a little oil around my part because it was flaking up a little bit, but we gonna see. I'm also going to leave a little bit of hair out on the sides as well, you know, just in case the wind blows or whatever. You don't want anything exposed, so I'm just going to leave a little bit out on the sides as well. We're going to put the rest in a ponytail, and we're going to add our U-part wig. Now, being that this is a kinky straight wig, you know, a lot of kinky straight textures, they have those crimps in it that's a little hard to get out. So I did put this wig on my mannequin head and straighten it prior to me putting it on. So once you'll see it here, it is going to be a little more straight than in the previous clips when I first took it out of the packaging. Alright, and because this wrap is old, it kind of sweated out a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my edges, kind of flat iron them out a little bit, and anything that I'm leaving out, I'm kind of just going to go over so it'll blend good with the hair. So here I am just going to clip off the little piece of lace here in the front. I just went as close to the track as I could to cut that off. Now you guys, when I straightened the kinky straight wig, I didn't put anything in the hair except the It's a 10 heat protectant, like leave-in kind of conditioner. So I'll leave that down below so you guys know what I'm talking about if you're curious. But other than that, there's no other products in this unit. It was really easy to clip it on around the part. I just tried to get it as close, so I just kept adjusting it until I got it as close to my part as possible. Now, as you can see, the clips are not on the very ends of the track, so if that bothers you, you could just put bobby pins on it. Most people will probably braid their hair. I just put mine in a ponytail, you guys, and I actually forgot to braid it and pin it down, so I had to flip the wig up and braid my ponytail, and I used the bobby pin to just like fold it against my hair, and then I just pulled the wig right over it. So I didn't use a cap or anything, but more than likely when I use this wig in the future, I'll probably my hair will probably be blow dry, so I'll probably wash it. It'll be on clean hair, and I'll probably braid it and leave the rest out. So I just did it like this just because, like I said, my hair was dirty and I was just kind of testing it out. Now, I did go ahead and clamp down all the clips on the side. It was really easy to do, you guys. This was so quick. This literally is less than 10 minutes. I'm just going to say 10 minutes, being that my video was a little bit long because I showed y'all, you know, hairstyles and stuff like that, and I switched the part up. But really, this is less than 15 minutes. This probably takes you about 10 minutes to do y'all hair, y'all. And when I say even with me straightening the hair, it still looks so natural. Like, the camera isn't even really doing it all of its justice. It's doing it some justice, but not all of it. Like, it really looks really good, y'all. I wouldn't lie to y'all. This hair is so soft. I'm probably gonna be wearing this hair a whole lot, especially during the winter, since I'm gonna be working out a lot. I think this would be perfect when it's time for me to go somewhere. Yes, my leave out gonna be fried, but my hair gonna be laid, so. Alright, and all of this is pretty self-explanatory. You basically just want to make sure you are covering that track around the U part. So you're just laying the hair all around the track. Make sure you lay some down in the back as well. And then, you know, just make sure that your middle part is bust down. And, you know, so yeah, that's what we're doing right here. And then I'm just going to show you guys a few hairstyles that I would do if I was wearing my hair straight, or if I was wearing it like this, and like, you know, the versatility with this hair. This is pretty much, to me, this is equivalent to a sew-in, equivalent to a quick weave, and it's without having to sit there for an hour, without all of the work, without all the glue, without all the braids, without all the sewing. But you know what though? I'm actually thinking about it now that I'm seeing this. If I would have actually braided my hair down, I could have sewed this down onto my hair. So this can also be sewed down like a sew-in, you know what I mean? So this is just all around a very convenient unit. I'm just really impressed with Wiggins' quality of their hair. It's so soft. It looks so natural. It has like a natural sheen that matches my hair perfectly. And I just all around just love the hair. You know, it's not that bone straight. It's like that natural straight that it blends with my hair so well. And I'm all around just satisfied with this unit. I'm going to be wearing it a lot, so y'all might as well get used to her. I'm about to get her name and everything. This is my new homegirl. And y'all, so I didn't, but if I wanted to, I could have left some hair out in the back, so that way when I put it up in a ponytail, you can't see anything. I didn't do it here, but I probably will in the future, like if I want to, you know, do something else, or do a style where I don't want the back to be showing, or the wig to show in the back. But yeah, I can put it up in a clip. I can do anything that I would pretty much do with a sew-in or a quick weave with this unit. So y'all, it's just very convenient. I definitely think this is something that every woman should have, even if you don't wear wigs a lot, or if you don't wear a lot of weave. I just think this is something convenient to where if your hair is not done, you can put yourself together real quick. Like, we always need those quick put togethers, like a just in case type of thing, you know what I'm saying? This is a just in case wig, but it's giving like main hairstyle results. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's giving main character, but it's supposed to be like a finesse. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all, I just love it. Look, I can put it in a ponytail with the middle part, and look, it's cute. I can just do so many different styles. Like, this is gonna be with me literally all winter. I'm really gonna be reusing it. And y'all, mind y'all, normally I wash hair and I dye hair when I first get it. This hair, I didn't do anything to it besides put a heat protectant and leave-in conditioner in it. That's it. I didn't put anything in this hair. I didn't wash it. I used it exactly how they sent it to me, and these are the results. So if y'all thinking about ordering this wig, of course I'm going to leave the links down below. Check it out. This is a 24 inch. I have 180 density U-part kinky straight wig, y'all. Wiggins is doing it up with this one. I'm definitely excited to try more hair from them. This is bomb. It's just bomb. I don't have a bad thing to say about it. And seriously, y'all, not even playing. Look at this hair. Would you, if I didn't just show y'all me installing it, would you think this a wig? You would think that I have my hair sewn in. You would think that I have it quick weaved, or you would think it's my real hair. First, you would think it's my real hair first. Then you would think it's a quick weave or a sew in. But don't I look cute, y'all? Don't I look cute? And then y'all peep this. I'm about to show y'all something. It's so easy and simple for y'all to switch y'all part up. If y'all want to switch y'all wig, make them feel like you cheating, you know what I'm saying? On some Meg Thee Stallion, y'all can be middle part at Bay House and then go to the bathroom and then come right back out and then be side part Bay. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so simple. Look at this. All I did was pulled the same amount of hair out to the side. I left the hair out in the front and in the edges like I normally would. And then I'm just gonna press the leave out, and literally 2 to 3 minutes I'm going to be side part Bay. Like, it's the versatility is just amazing with this wig. Let me know down below which one y'all like better. Do y'all like side part or do y'all like middle part? Which one do y'all think I should rock the most? Y'all know I love a good bust down, but sometimes that side part be hitting, especially when you do like a ponytail or something like that. Like, sometimes it just be giving. It kind of depend on the outfit, the vibe, the mood, you know? And look at that, y'all. It's giving minimum effort, maximum effect. Okay? Like, minimal effort, maximum freaking effect. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, I don't know how I don't know how it took me so long to even get one of these. Like, I would have bought one of these with my own money. Shout out to Wiggins for sending me this wig, but I definitely would buy one of these with my own money. I kind of want to get like some different textures. Like, I want to try a curly one. I want to try a body wave one. You know, I want to just try different textures with these because this is just insanely convenient, insanely good. This is just too good. Look at the side bang, y'all. It's just like, I done went from Aaliyah to Ashanti to the Lauren London. Like, I'm just giving, okay? I am giving with this wig. Really, really love it. Like, no faking. This is literally like my new favorite unit. I am like thoroughly impressed with the quality. It's so soft. It has a lot of body. It moves when I move. I'm gonna even try to put on the headband that they sent to me. Let's see if we can rock that too, because you know, if you didn't want to do a side part or a middle part, you can also just wear it to the back and put a headband on the front of it. It's just a lot of versatility you can do with this unit, and I just think it's so worth it. I can't wait to try more hair from Wiggins because this really blew me out the park. Like, really, really love this hair. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. You guys are gonna be seeing me in this hair in other videos, other vlogs, all of that. So just get used to it. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this unit. If you are going to be ordering you one, let me know. If you're a middle part girl or side part girl, let me know. I am going to be curling this hair at a later date, which you guys will probably just see in another random video. So all the information to this unit is going to be left down in the description box. So make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair. Again, thank you so much, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video so we can get it out to more homegirls. And then make sure you subscribe so you can become a homegirl if you aren't already. All right, y'all. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.